What does it take to elevate yourself to the next level? What does it take to excel in your chosen field? Does it mean that you should constantly rush forward? Does it mean that you should always stay focused on your dream? Well, yes, but there's more to it. Humble beginnings keeps our feet on the ground. Hard work is essential. Innovation is paramount. Exploring new techniques and investing on what counts. Not being afraid to go independent, yet not losing trust on others' capabilities. We need partners that would go the extra mile for our interests and would genuinely celebrate our victories. As the saying goes, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. You elevate yourself by elevating others, as they do the same thing for you. You will need science. You will need technology. You will need the community. But most of all, you will need heart as your bread and butter.